Back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the steps on how to forward a restricted message in Telegram, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your device. This can be done from your app menu or home screen, depending on your setup. Step 2. Once inside Telegrams, locate and open the chat that contains the restricted content you want to forward. This could be a personal chat, group chat, or channel message. Step 3. Next, find the specific message you wish to forward. Once you've identified it, tap and hold the message until a menu pops up. Step 4. In the menu that appears, look for the forward option and select it. This option allows you to share the content with other contacts or groups on Telegram. Step 5. Now, choose the contact or group to whom you want to forward the message. If the person or group doesn't appear immediately in the list, use the search bar at the top to find them easily. Step 6. Finally, tap the Send button to complete the process. Your selected content will now be forwarded to the contact or group you chose. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.